Recording time entries without interrupting your workflow is crucial if you want to stay productive without losing momentum. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to log your time without breaking your focus or slowing down your progress. Stick around because I'm going to share a solution that I've tested across all the popular tools, and I've got an exclusive free trial for you to try out the software I recommend. So first off, the key to recording time entries without interrupting your workflow is automation. Manually stopping what you're doing to log your time not only wastes valuable minutes, it breaks your concentration. That's where using the right software can make all the difference. The software we'll be using today helps you automatically track your time in the background. You don't need to manually start or stop timers. It tracks your activity automatically and logs everything for you. This means you can keep working without needing to click or switch apps constantly. It's seamless, efficient, and doesn't require any extra effort on your part. Once you set it up, all you have to do is keep doing your work as usual. The software detects what you're working on and logs your time against specific tasks. No more fumbling with manual timers, no more interruptions. You're free to focus entirely on your work without worrying about forgetting to track your time. Another great feature, you can set up custom categories for different types of tasks. So whether you're working on emails, writing, meetings, or coding, the software automatically sorts your time entries accordingly. This makes it super easy to see exactly where your time is going at the end of the day or week, and gives you reports that are accurate and ready to go. Now, if you're someone who needs to track time across multiple devices or collaborate with a team, this software has you covered. It syncs across all your devices, whether you're working on your laptop, tablet, or phone. And if you're working with others, you can easily share your time entries or view the collective time tracking data for the whole team. You might be thinking, well, there are a lot of time tracking tools out there. How do I know this one will work for me? That's exactly why I've tested several popular time tracking tools. And this software stood out for its ease of use, accuracy, and seamless integration into your daily workflow. By the way, if you want to follow along with this software and try it for yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below. This trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out on this opportunity to get your time tracking to the next level. Here's your key takeaway from today's video. Recording time entries without interrupting your workflow is all about using the right software. Automating the process lets you stay focused and productive without the frustration of manual time logging. Remember, the software we use today tracks your time in the background, categorizes tasks, and syncs across devices, leaving you to do your best work without interruptions. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.